Chapter 4: Globes and Maps. Main points: shape of the earth, types of maps, globe and map. Shape of the earth. Shape of the earth. The shape of the earth is round, but the top and bottom of our earth is flat. Its shape is like an orange. There is a bulge in the middle of the earth. In early times, people believed that the earth was flat, and if any person moved on the boundary, he or she could fall down from the earth. Nearly 500 years ago, a sailor from Portugal, whose name was Ferdinand Magellan, started a long journey on his ship. He and his men kept sailing for long. After 3 years and more, his ship reached the same place of Spain from where they had started their journey. This proved that the earth is round. Pictures of the earth taken from the space also shows that the earth is round in shape. Globe. The earth is very big. It is not possible to see all parts of the earth by standing at a place. So we take the help of a globe. A globe is a very small model of the earth. We can see all the countries, continents and oceans on a globe. A globe is so small that it does not have all details of the earth on it. We cannot see all mountains, rivers, forests, a town or a village on a globe. A globe cannot be carried to other places easily because of its shape. Map. A map is the drawing of the earth or its parts on a flat surface or paper. We can see all parts of the earth at one time on a map. A map also has bigger area than a globe, so it has more details. We can easily see mountains, forests, small towns, etc. on a map. We can see all details of a place on the map. Awesome fact: a book of maps is called an atlas. We can make big or small maps. Some maps are big, which can be hung on a wall. These are called wall maps. Maps use signs and symbols to show boundaries of states, countries and continents, rivers, roadways, railways, temples, mosques, churches, schools, etc. These are called legends. Different types of color are used to show different landforms and water bodies. Blue color shows water bodies like rivers, ponds, seas and oceans. Green color shows plains, yellow color shows deserts, and brown color shows mountains and highlands. Maps are drawn according to scale. A small ruler is given on each map, which tells us that how much bigger is the real distance between the two places than the distance between those two places on map. For example, if we take 1 centimeter equals to 50 kilometers, then it will be represented on the scale as. So the scale of the map is the ratio between the distance on the map and the actual distance between two places. Types of maps. There are mainly 3 types of maps: political map, physical map, and thematic map. The political maps show boundaries between states, countries, and continents. The physical maps show landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, deserts, etc., and water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, seas, and oceans. The thematic maps show special features like rainfall, vegetation, minerals, industries, etc. Directions. Direction is the position of a person, place, or thing. Some words like left, right, between, behind, in front of, above, below, beside, etc. show the position in relation to something, place or person. So these words are called relative directions. On maps, we use cardinal directions like north, south, east and west. When we face the rising sun, our face is towards the east, back is towards west, right hand is to the south and left hand is to the north. Sailors use a compass to find a direction. There is a needle of magnet in it which always shows north-south directions. On this basis, they find out other two directions, east and west also. Valued facts. We should go to a new place with its map. Awesome fact. In early times, people found out directions at night by seeing the polar star. Let's learn new words. Improving vocabulary. Bulge, swelling. Physical maps. Maps showing landforms and water bodies. Thematic maps. Maps showing rain, vegetation, industries, etc. Let's remember. Developing recalling skill. The shape of the earth is like an orange, round but flat at the top and bottom. A globe is a small model of the earth. A map is the drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Political, physical and thematic are the three types of maps.